If you're new to Deel and wondering how to approve payroll in Deel, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process efficiently. Whether you're managing a small team or a global workforce, Deel's payroll system is designed to simplify the complexities of paying employees internationally. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you a pro tip for payroll approval that can save you time and ensure accuracy every time. Before we dive in, you can start using Deel for free through the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of this powerful tool. Now, let's get into how to approve payroll in Deel. First, log into your Deel account and navigate to the Payroll tab on your dashboard. You'll find a list of all upcoming and past payrolls. For a smooth payroll approval process, make sure all the details for each employee are correct: hours worked, wages, benefits, and taxes. Once you've double-checked everything, find the payroll batch you want to approve and click on it. You'll see a summary of all the payments that are scheduled. It's crucial that you confirm each payment before approval, so take a moment to review the numbers. If everything looks good, simply click Approve Payroll. Deel will then notify you that the payroll is set to process. One of Deel's standout features is its flexibility. If you have contractors or remote employees in different countries, Deel ensures that payments are automatically adjusted according to local laws and regulations. This feature is incredibly helpful for global businesses, as you don't have to worry about the complexities of foreign tax laws or currency exchanges. For even more accuracy, Deel provides an audit trail, so you can review every step of the payroll process if needed. This ensures transparency and is particularly useful for compliance audits. Additionally, if you ever need to make any adjustments, Deel allows you to modify payroll details before finalizing, so you're always in control. Now, here's the pro tip I promised. To speed up your payroll approval process in Deel, set up your payroll reminders. Deel will send you a notification when it's time to review and approve, so you don't miss any deadlines. This feature is particularly useful for businesses managing multiple employees in different time zones. And before we wrap up, remember that you can access Deel for free from the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses designed to make your payroll process even easier. Make sure you take advantage of this extended free trial. By following these steps, you'll master the payroll approval process in Deel in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the link in the description for your free trial and bonus perks. Thanks for watching.